Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we're going to show you how you can make yourself some stir-fried beef at home. We're going to give you the Jamaican way and the Jamaican style, okay? So basically I have a kilo of stir-fried beef. This is the way we normally cut our stir-fried beef. As you can see, how it look really nice and beautiful. So this is the way how we cut it, alright? Basically I have a kilo right here. I washed it off already. And all I need to do is just get some marinated with some seasoning. So basically, first thing I'm gonna do is pop a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of beef seasoning. That's it. All the rest of the ingredients gonna be natural, like fresh thyme. And also garlic. I have a lot of garlic, roughly about 6 cloves of garlic. Spring onion. And a handful of white onion. Olive oil. Lovely. A pinch of soy sauce, not too much. You don't need to add salt because the soy sauce have salt and those season got salt. Next, put on the gloves at the hand because of pepper in the seasoning. And the onion will burn the eye, so be careful. Let's give it a little rub like this. Beautiful. Looking nice, and the scent of it really smells really good. Next thing, put a stir fry pot on the stove and ready for stir fry. Nice. I got a medium fire stir fry pot on the stove. This is one right here. Nice to stir fry stuff in. Simple. Just a pinch of oil. I'm a frying pan on this for about 2 seconds now, so probably a little bit warm. Ready for the meat. So if you want to know if the meat ready, so you could make it hot a little bit more. Nice one. Lovely. So the frying pan is ready. So we're gonna pop our meat inside of it. So we're gonna get this brown off and simple cook. A nice little way, then we're going to add some more ingredients to it. So leave this for it to cook about 3 to 4 minutes and keep stirring it. Nice and lovely. As you can see, the meat is brown up. Next thing, add some carrots and some peppers. So that's carrot, mixed pepper, and also just a little pinch more white one. I cook up my white one and a little bit fine though, guys, to be honest. Give it a stir. As you can see, mixed pepper. I'm using half of each pepper and a medium size carrot. Next thing, we're gonna put some sweet chili sauce. Some stir fry sweet chili sauce inside of it. Really nice. And then give it a flavor also. I'm gonna put some stir fry oyster sauce inside of it. Not too much. Probably about 2 tablespoons. And it a stir. Look at that. That is beautiful, guys. This beef is a quick stir fry, so it's not too long to cook. Second thing, add some soy sauce. Give it a stir. As you can see, this looking lovely. The kids will love this, guys. Everyone will be loving this. Seriously. Nice and lovely. So this looking lovely and nice, as you can see. Still a nice lovely stir fried veg. I'm just gonna give it a couple more minutes, then we're gonna turn that. Alright. Yes, this is the way it look like. Proper stir fried beef at home. Nice and lovely. So now we're gonna share it out. Lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time.